Mahabodhi temple has been built at Bodh Gaya where? The options are A. Gautam Buddha was born, B. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment, C. Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon, D. Gautam Buddha passed away. And the correct answer is B. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment. Chinese traveler Huan Sang studied at the University of. The options are A. Taxila, B. Vikramshila, C. Magad, D. Nalanda. And the correct answer is D. Nalanda. Where was the Third Buddhist Council held? The options are A. Vatsa, B. Pataliputra, C. Kosambi, D. Kashmir. And the correct answer is B. Pataliputra. Where was Mahavir Swami born? The options are A. Kundagram, B. Pataliputra, C. Magad, D. Vaishali. And the correct answer is A. Kundagram. Which of the following places is considered a Jan Siddha Kshetra on account of its association with Parsvanatha? The options are A. Champa, B. Pava, C. Samad Sikhar, D. Urjayanta. And the correct answer is C. Samad Sikhar. Buddha was born at. The options are A. Vaishali, B. Lumbini, C. Kapilvastu, D. Pataliputra. And the correct answer is B. Lumbini. Consider the following statements and select the difference between a chatya and a vihara. The options are A. Chatya is a place of worship whereas vihara is a living place for Buddhist saints, B. Vihara is a place of worship whereas Chatya is a living place for Buddhist saints, C. Chatya and Vihara both can be used as a living place, D. There is not much difference between the two. And the correct answer is A. Chatya is a place of worship whereas Vihara is a living place for Buddhist saints. The doctrine of three jewels, right belief, right conduct and right knowledge, is the crowning's glory of. The options are A. Buddhism, B. Christianity, C. Jainism, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Jainism. The Vikramshila Mahavihara, a great center of education, was founded by. The options are A. Baladitya, B. Harsha, C. Gopala, D. Dharmapal. And the correct answer is D. Dharmapal. The Lumbini was the birthplace of Buddha is attested by an inscription of. The options are A. Ashoka, B. Pushyamitra Sangh, C. Kanishka, D. Harsha. And the correct answer is A. Ashoka. Sarnath is in the state of. The options are A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. Gujarat, D. Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Vikramshila Mahavihara was established by the ruler of. The options are A. Pushyabhuti dynasty, B. Baman dynasty, C. Sen dynasty, D. Pala dynasty. And the correct answer is D. Pala dynasty. Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana in the Republic of The. The options are A. Mallas, B. Lichvas, C. Sakyas, D. Palas. And the correct answer is A. Mallas. Which one of the following propounded that destiny determines everything, man is powerless? The options are A. Jains, B. Buddhists, C. Ajivakas, D. Mimamsakas. And the correct answer is C. Ajivakas. Who amongst the following is known as the Light of Asia? The options are A. Jesus Christ, B. Lord Buddha, C. Prophet Muhammad, D. Zarathustra. And the correct answer is B. Lord Buddha. Syadvad, the theory of maybe, is a doctrine of. The options are A. Lokayatism, B. Vaishnavism, C. Jainism, D. Saivism. And the correct answer is C. Jainism. The stupa site which is not connected with any incident of Lord Buddha's life is. The options are A. Sarnath, B. Sanchi, C. Bodh Gaya, D. Kushinagar. And the correct answer is B. Sanchi. Prabhasgiri is a pilgrim spot of. The options are A. Buddhists, B. Jains, C. Saivites, D. Vaishnavites. And the correct answer is B. Jains. Who is said to have become the chief of the Jan Sangh after the death of Mahavira? The options are A. Jambu, B. Bhadravahu, C. Sthulbhadra, D. Sudharma. And the correct answer is D. Sudharma. Jivaka, the royal physician of Rajgrai, was the son of the Ganika named as. The options are A. Salavati, B. Ramanya, C. Basantsena, D. Amrapali. And the correct answer is A. Salavati. The Fourth Buddhist Council was convened during the regime of King. The options are A. Ashoka, B. Ajatsatru, C. Kanishka, D. Mahapadmananda. And the correct answer is C. Kanishka. The Tripitaka was written in. The options are A. Brahmi, B. Kharasthi, C. Pali, D. Sanskrit. And the correct answer is C. Pali. Name the last Tirthankara. The options are A. Parswanath, B. Mahavira, C. Siddhartha, D. Subhadra. And the correct answer is B. Mahavira. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishka at Kashmir? The options are A. Parshava, B. Nagarjuna, C. Sudraka, D. Vasumitra. And the correct answer is D. Vasumitra. In ancient Indian Buddhist monasteries, a ceremony called Pavrana used to be held. It was the. The options are A. Occasion to elect the Sangha Paranaika and two speakers, one on Dhamma and the other on Vinay, B. Confession by monks of their offences committed during their stay in the monasteries during the rainy season, C. Ceremony of initiation of new person into the Buddhist Sangh in which the head is shoved and when yellow robes are offered, D. Gathering of Buddhist monks on the next days to the full moon day of Asadha when they take up a fixed abode for the next 4 months of rainy season. And the correct answer is B. Confession by monks of their offences committed during their stay in the monasteries during the rainy season. With reference to ancient Jainism, which one of the following statements is correct? The options are A. Jainism was spread in South India under the leadership of Sthalabahu, B. The Jains who remained under the leadership of Bhadravahu were called Shvetamabaras after the council held at Pataliputra, C. Jainism enjoyed the patronage of the Kalinga king Kharavela in the 1st century BC, D. In the initial stage of Jainism, the Jains worshipped images unlike Buddhist. And the correct answer is C. Jainism enjoyed the patronage of the Kalinga king Kharavela in the 1st century BCE. Anekantvad is a core theory and philosophy of which one of the following? The options are A. Buddhism, B. Jainism, C. Sikhism, D. Vaishnavism. And the correct answer is B. Jainism. Mahamastakabhisheka, a great religious event, is associated with and done for who of the following? The options are A. Bahubali, B. Buddha, C. Mahavira, D. Nataraj. And the correct answer is A. Bahubali. Which one of the following is the common element among Rajagrai, Vaishali and Pataliputra? The options are A. Pali Canon of the Sthaviravadins was compiled there, B. Ashokan major rock edicts were found there, C. Places where Buddhist councils were held, D. Places associated with the compilation of Buddhist canons of the Mahasanghikas. And the correct answer is C. Places where Buddhist councils were held. Which one among the following sects was associated with Goshala Maskariputra? The options are A. Vajrayan, B. Ajivakas, C. Sthaviravadins, D. Mahasanghikas. And the correct answer is B. Ajivakas. Ashokram monastery was situated at. The options are A. Vaishali, B. Patliputra, C. Kausambi, D. Shravasti. And the correct answer is B. Patliputra.